Good morning students, myself Gaurav Kumar Sharma, and in today's class we are going to continue our chapter number 2, negative quantities. So far in this chapter we have discussed about some rules, and in today's class we will again discuss some more rules. Let's start from rule number 3. The rule number 3 is, if we are given some negative terms and we have to find their sum, then in order to get their sum we have to add their coefficients numerically and prefix the negative sign. Let's try to understand the meaning of this rule with the help of an example. Suppose that we have to find the sum of this minus 3x, minus 5x, minus 7x and minus x. As you can see here clearly that all the given terms are of negative sign. So first of all, according to this rule, we will add the coefficients here. We will add the coefficient but only their numeric values. That is, we will just take the numeric value of every coefficient. Okay. So what are the numeric value here? 3, 5, 7 and 1. And prefix the negative sign. And we'll take the same variable as we have given in the question. Students, to add coefficients numerically means that we have to just take the numeric values. We have to just take the numeric values of the coefficient, not their sign. As you can see, for example here, the coefficient of the first term is minus 3 here. But when we talk about the numeric value, then we will not take its sign and the numeric value will be 3. Okay. So now we can easily find out the sum. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So our answer will be minus 16x. So student, this is how by applying this rule we can find the addition, we can find the summation of negative quantities. Now let's take one more example from our exercise. Question number 7. In this question we have to add some negative quantities like minus 2x, minus 6x, minus 10x and minus 8x. So again students, we will add coefficients numerically, that is we will take the numeric value of all the coefficients. So what are the numeric values of all the coefficients here? 2, 6, 10 plus 8. Okay. And prefix this with the negative sign and we'll take the same variable as we have in the question. So our answer will be minus 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 2, 26. So our answer will be minus 26x. So this is all about rule number 3. Now let's talk about rule number 4. Now let's try to understand the rule number 4 with the help of this example. In this example, as you can see clearly that we have some positive terms as well as some negative terms. Then according to rule number 4, to get the sum of all these terms, we have to separate, we have to collect all the positive terms together and all the negative terms together. That is, all the positive terms we have to collect together. What are the positive terms here? 3s plus s plus 2s, and again we have to collect all the negative terms together. What are the negative terms? Minus 4s, minus 2s and minus s. Now we can see clearly here that we have some positive terms and we have some negative terms together. So to find the sum of these positive terms, we will just apply our previous rule. That is, we will just add the coefficient first. What are the coefficient here? 3, 1 and 2. And again here we have just talked about this, that to get the sum of the negative quantities we have to add coefficients numerically. So we will add coefficient numerically. 4 plus 2 plus 1 and prefix negative sign here. So now we have 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6s minus 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, minus 7s. That is 6s minus 7s. Now we have, you can see here that both the numbers, both the terms are of different signs. So we will subtract them and take the sign of the greater quantity, that is 7, which is minus. So our answer will be minus 1s. So student, this is all about our rule number 4, in which we have to separate, we have to collect all the positive terms together and all the negative terms together. Let's try to solve one more example. Question number 23. Again we have some positive quantities and some negative quantities, and we have to find their sum. So we will apply here our rule number 4, according to which we have to collect all the positive terms together and all the negative terms together. So collect all the positive terms, 3aq plus 2aq, and collect all the negative terms, minus 11aq, minus 8aq, minus 7aq. Now for the positive terms, we will add their coefficient first. The coefficients are 3 and 2, so we will add them. And again, for the negative terms, we will just add the coefficient numerically first and prefix the negative sign. 11 plus 8 plus 7 aq. Now 3 plus 2 will be 5. 5aq minus 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 7, 26 aq. Because both the terms have both the terms have different sign, so we will subtract them and we will get the answer as minus 21 aq. So student, this is all about rule number 4.